Have you ever wondered which protecting device protects your electrical system faster? A fuse or a circuit breaker? In today's video, we will compare these two devices and find out which one reacts first during a fault. Fuse and circuit breakers are the most common protection devices in electrical engineering. But understanding their differences is very important for every engineer. In the last couple of videos, we learned all the details of fuse and circuit breaker. Today, we will see the key differences between them. Basically, a fuse is an electrical safety device designed to protect circuits from overcurrent. It uses a metal strip or wire that melts when too much current flows through it. This breaks the circuit to prevent damage or fire. While circuit breaker is an electrical switching as well as protecting device which can be used either manually or automatically. That means we can switch on or switch off the electrical circuit manually, and also at the time of fault it can trip automatically. Circuit breaker uses a bimetallic strip which is mechanically connected to the wiring connection. At the time of short circuit or overcurrent, excessive heat will be developed and bimetallic strip disconnects the contacts with wiring connection. This breaks the circuit to prevent damage to electrical circuits. Now we will see the key differences between fuse and circuit breakers based on various parameters. Fuses are sacrificial. That means fuse wire melts after the fault and must be replaced after one use, while circuit breakers can be reset and reused again and again. Fuses use a wire that melts due to thermal heat from high current, while circuit breakers generally use electromagnetic or thermal mechanism to trip. Fuses usually only protects against overcurrent, while circuit breakers protect against both overcurrent and short circuits. Fuses are purely automatic, while circuit breakers can be operated manually as a switch or act automatically at the time of fault. Fuses have a low initial cost, while circuit breakers have a higher initial cost but save money for long term. Circuit breakers are safer to reset and do not require handling of hazardous parts, whereas replacing a fuse can be dangerous. Fuses are extremely fast. It takes approximately 0.002 seconds to operate at the time of fault, while circuit breakers are slower as compared to fuse, taking roughly 0.02 to 0.05 seconds to operate. Use a fuse in applications where fast reaction time is needed, like electronic devices, or use it in low cost protection, or where space is limited, such as in automobiles and simple home appliances. Use a circuit breaker in modern homes, commercial buildings, and industrial heavy duty applications, where convenience and protection for multiple circuits are required. So friends, remember, a fuse sacrifices itself once, but a circuit breaker protects again and again. Choose wisely for safer electrical systems. Understanding the difference between a fuse and a circuit breaker helps us to design safer, smarter, and more reliable electrical systems. If this comparison helps you to understand electrical protection better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electrical engineering concepts. Till time, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.